Are you driving around every day and missing out on features even your owner's manual doesn't shout about? You're not alone. Most car owners have no idea their vehicle is loaded with hidden tools that could save time, money, and maybe even your life. These aren't gimmicks. They're features only mechanics and hardcore car nerds seem to know. Today we're uncovering 9 hidden car features that are quietly working behind the scenes. And once you know them, you'll never look at your car the same way again. Let's jump in. 9. The hidden hood release trick. Ever pulled the hood release inside your car, then struggled like a contortionist trying to find the latch under the hood? Most cars have a visual guide or tactile tab built into the grille area to help you find the hood latch fast, even in the dark. It's rarely mentioned, and most people figure it out by trial and error or frustration. Saves you from fumbling with dirty parts or burning your hands on a hot engine. It also helps in emergencies, like checking a smoking engine or jump-starting someone else's car quickly. Mechanics use this every day. That's why they make it look easy. But when you're on the side of the road with one hand on your phone and the other under the hood, that little tab becomes a game changer. It's like a braille bump on an elevator button, a tiny thing that makes a big difference when you actually need it. 8. Hidden cabin air filter access. Your car smells musty and your AC blows weak, so you think it's a compressor problem. Many vehicles have an easily accessible cabin air filter behind the glove box. No tools required. Replace it yourself in under 3 minutes. Dealerships charge big bucks for what's basically a DIY fix. Better air quality, stronger AC, and huge savings. All from something most people ignore. Plus, it filters out pollen, dust, and pollution. Huge if you've got allergies or drive in dusty areas. You can even upgrade to a carbon filter for fresher smelling air. It's a $10 solution to a $200 mystery smell. And when your AC suddenly starts blowing clean and strong again, you'll feel like a pro mechanic who just hacked the system. It's like changing your home's AC filter, except it hides behind your snacks. 7. Transmission dipstick. Secret functions. You want to check your transmission fluid, but wait, where's the dipstick? On some newer models, there is no dipstick. Fluid levels are checked through a special service plug that only mechanics know about. Manufacturers made it mechanic only to avoid user error, but there is a way to monitor it safely. You know where to look. Understanding your transmission's health before it becomes a 5-figure repair. Fluid condition can tell you a lot. If it's dark or smells burnt, that's a warning sign. Some cars even require the engine to be at a certain temperature or running to get an accurate check. Knowing the method for your specific vehicle lets you stay ahead of major wear and tear. It's not just maintenance, it's peace of mind and potentially thousands saved, like checking your blood pressure, and except nobody handed you the cuff. 6. Fuel cap holder hack. You unscrew your gas cap and let it dangle, scraping your paint or slapping in the wind. Most gas doors have a built-in hook or notch to hang your cap while refueling. It's tiny, unmarked, and never explained. Prevents scratches, keeps hands clean, and stops you from losing the cap entirely. And here's the bonus. Hanging it properly also prevents the gas cap from interfering with the fuel door or triggering a check engine light. On some vehicles, letting the cap dangle can even trip vapor leak sensors. That's why mechanics always hang it, not just for neatness, but to avoid future warning codes and hassle. It's a tiny move with a surprisingly big ripple effect. One driver taped their cap to the mirror because they thought the string broke, all while the holder was right there. 5. Turn signal lane tap feature. You're changing lanes and don't want your signal to blink forever. Lightly tap the signal stalk. Most modern cars will blink 3 to 5 times automatically and shut off. People either click it fully or not at all, but never in between. It's one of those features that lives in the gray area of motion. Not a full push, just a soft nudge. Cleaner lane changes and no more awkward signal stuck on moments. It also helps avoid confusion for other drivers. No more being that person cruising along with a blinker that never turns off. It's subtle, elegant, and it feels like your car just gets you. Once you learn this, you'll use it every single day and wonder why no one ever told you before. It's like sending a short text instead of writing a novel. Just enough to say, I'm moving. 4. One-touch window reset after battery change. You swapped your car battery. What, and now your windows won't auto roll. No auto up, no auto down. It's like they forgot how to behave. There's a reset trick. Roll the window down, then up, holding the switch for 5 seconds at each end. That's it. You've reprogrammed the Windows memory. Nobody tells you. Not even the guy at the shop. Most people assume it's broken or a sign of deeper electrical trouble, but it's actually a simple software reset built into the car. Avoids a costly dealer visit for something you can fix in your driveway. You save time, money, and that awkward frustration of trying every button like it's a puzzle. It gives you back control, and honestly, it feels kind of empowering, like you just hacked your own car. It's like rebooting your Wi-Fi router. Basic, but effective. 3. Manual key hidden in your fob. Your key fob dies, and now you're locked out. Panic sets in, especially if you're far from home or stuck late at night. Almost all key fobs hide a manual key blade inside. There's usually a tiny release button or latch that lets you slide it out. No tools required. Most people don't explore their key fobs until it's too late. We treat them like magic wands until the magic runs out. Access to your car in emergencies without waiting hours for a tow truck or locksmith. No apps, no phone calls, just old school backup security that's built in. It saves you from stress, embarrassment, and sometimes even danger. One driver waited 3 hours in the rain for roadside help, only to learn the backup key was in his hand the whole time. 2. Auto hold feature. You're on a steep hill at a red light, afraid your car will roll back. You're balancing between the brake and gas, heart racing, hoping the car behind you isn't too close. Auto hold keeps the brakes engaged after you stop, even if you lift your foot off the pedal. No rollback, no panic. It's often activated by a small, unlabeled button on the center console that many drivers never touch or even notice. Some think it's just another useless switch. Stops rollback, reduces stress, and makes stop-and-go traffic way more chill, especially in hilly cities or during long commutes. It's also a game changer for people with leg or knee pain, giving your foot a break without compromising safety. It's like a parking brake that turns itself on and off at just the right moment, and like having a driving assistant who knows exactly when to step in. 1. Tire pressure monitoring display, the hidden dashboard hack. You're about to hit the highway for a road trip. No. But one tire feels low. You look at the dash, no warning light. So is it fine or a disaster waiting to happen? Many modern cars don't just have a warning light, they hide a full PSI readout per tire deep inside the dashboard menu. With a few clicks, you can see real-time pressure for each tire. It's buried in your display settings, and nobody at the dealership shows you how to access it. Most people wait for the TPMS light, not knowing they can monitor at any time. Spot a slow leak before your tire shreds on the freeway. Avoid gas station guesswork. Drive smarter, longer, and safer with zero guesswork and no tools needed. It's like having a fitness tracker for your tires. Quiet, constant, and way more helpful than you think. So, how many of these did you already know? And how many blew your mind? Drop your favorite hidden feature in the comments below, or one you think everyone should know but no one talks about. And if you love practical, eye-opening car tips like these, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss the features your mechanic wishes you knew. Drive smart, stay curious, and don't underestimate what your car is hiding right under your nose.